Hey friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I am taking you along on a morning routine. This is a collab with my friend Morgan from the Coulter Coop. She has 2 kids just like me, a boy and a girl. She also has chickens. You will love her content, so see her channel info below. Be sure to visit her and subscribe. So I'm starting my morning out with a little bit of coffee and then off to make my bed and meditate. I don't have a schedule anymore. The quarantine has made me more of a night owl and less of a morning person. So kind of just whenever I wake up, I wake up. Norma got up around 7 to nurse and then went back down to sleep. So this scene right here is just a little bit after 7 a.m. I wanted to hop on here really quickly because part of my morning today was managing my period. And this video, I'm so excited, is sponsored by Hi-O. They make reusable cloth menstrual pads. I've been using their products for like 6 months now and I love them. I use a menstrual cup and cloth pads together to manage my period depending on where I am in the cycle. I don't like using the menstrual cup on my light days. And Hi-O recently came out with a new product which they sent to me and I am obsessed. They are panty liner size reusable cloth pads. They come in this cute little laundry bag, I think 8 of them. And look how thin they are. The thing with cloth pads is obviously they're a lot bulkier than disposable. These panty liners, they are so thin. They are not that much thicker than the stuff you buy at the store. They work really well. They're bamboo. They keep the odor at bay and they are awesome. They also have these snaps on the back, so they snap over your underwear. You can put the used pads in this bag, come home, throw them in your laundry. Super easy to wash. I cannot recommend this enough. I want to thank them for sending them to me, sponsoring this video, and I will leave an Amazon link below. You save so much money when you do this, you guys. It is not dramatic. So please check them out and let's get back to my morning. I do a quick makeup routine. Both kids are in the bathroom, kind of bugging me, but that is life. And I also wanted to say that if you are coming over from Morgan's channel, welcome. So happy to have you. And if you like this video, I'd love to have you stick around by subscribing. By the way, it's mid-June. I'm wearing Christmas pajamas. Norma's wearing Christmas pajamas. And you'll see later, James picks out a rather Christmassy outfit to wear. James is in charge of getting his own breakfast, so he had already eaten. I am making Norma 2 scrambled eggs from our backyard chickens. She loves eggs, which makes me happy. I'm not eating yet. I've been doing intermittent fasting, though I just listened to a podcast and I've kind of changed my mind, so I might be playing around with that. Let me know if you have thoughts on intermittent fasting. While Norma eats, I get out my planner and just do my to-do list and look at the day ahead. One of my favorite parts of the morning routine is to let the 4 hens out and say good morning and check for eggs and just enjoy our backyard. It's so fun. This is my favorite tree. Do you have a favorite tree? This is mine, and I thought it was really pretty with the light shining through. Phil gets annoyed by this cottonwood tree because it's so messy, but it's so pretty in the wind. The leaves sparkle. James came to join us outside. See that outfit? Like, what is that? Oh my goodness. We went for a fun walk together and got our day started. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to Hyo for sponsoring this video. Check out their link in the description. And be sure to check out Morgan's channel, the Coulter Coop. Her video is linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Take care.